Hey guys, it's Thalia and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to film my what's in my purse everyday bag. Basically, I take this with me going to work, when I'm running errands. This is like my go-to bag. I filmed this like last year, not too long ago, maybe like 6 months ago. This year I decided to film another what's in my bag, but for 2019. Ta-da-da-da. I wanted to share what's in my bag. I have tons of stuff inside. Basically, every time we're like going to a specific place, I like to throw in things that I need, things that I might to take with me. I take this with me all the time, and I just really love small bags. I think Theodore would like to say hi to you. Let me grab Theodore. Look who I have! Hi Theodore! Say hi to your friends. Hello everybody! Welcome back to another video. Bye-bye! That was Theodore doing the little intro. Anyways, if you guys are new, my name is Thalia. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you guys are watching this video, and I'm so glad that you guys are part of this video with me. Do not forget to hit that red button down below, which is the subscribe button. It's free. You can join the family. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos of mine. And that way you can get notified when I post videos. Anyways, let's just start with the video, guys. We're going to talk about this bag. This bag, I got this at JCPenney. I just like it because it's not small nor it's not big. This is very nice, compatible size for me since I am a short, petite person. I used to carry around like huge purses, but I just realized that I'm putting so much things in my purse that I really don't need. I'm just like a to-go person. I used to carry like my laptop, my tablet, my book, like a lot of shit, guys, a lot of crap in my purse. And I'm just like, well, it's not crap, it's very valuable, you know. Used to be a big fan of big purses, but now that I'm very small, I'm more of this like crossbody purses. I just like how it looks on me, and I feel so comfortable. And I don't know, like my hands, both of my hands are free, so I can carry my phone, I can carry my coffee. It's just convenient for me to carry with this type of purses. This is the purse that I have that I've been using like almost every single day. I do switch out my bags off and on, like crossbody purses. As you can see, it has studs all around my purse. It's a very leather burgundy. I really like how it looks. On the back, it has a zipper, which I know I put in my cell phone in here. It's like a little half chain. This is very long. I also have this little furry ball. This is actually a charger, so I do charge my phone. I'm pretty sure it's dead. I need to recharge this little paw thing so that way my phone will die. This is cute because it goes with it. I do have a burgundy one, and I mean, too much burgundy would not look good. I want a little bit of mix with my purse, since this is black and this is burgundy. But I really like this. I think this retails like for like $30, I believe. It's not so bad for the price, plus I use a coupon on top of that. So I just like these type of bags because they're not small, they're not big, they're just a very nice size. We're gonna open in, and I'm sure it's a pretty mess in here because I carry like a lot of things. The first thing I have is this. I always throw in a toy for Theodore just in case we go out, because normally he's always with us, not 24/7, but he's always with us like half of the time. And we basically run errands, like we go to Target, we go to Walmart, we go to PetSmart, Petco, whatever. We always like to bring a toy for him so he can be more occupied with his toy or a little snack or anything like that. So we have this little happy camper, which rest in peace, Theodore chew it up. Poor ear, and his legs are gone. Poor feet, they're so whole. So he really loves this, and he likes to destroy his toys, you know. That's what dogs do. have is my earphones. I always like to carry earphones with me, especially when I'm working during my lunch. I like to listen to music. I like to watch Netflix, Hulu, talk to my mom over the phone, you know, because when I'm eating, it's more convenient for me because both of my hands are free. I don't have to carry my phone and eating. That was really annoying. One of those people, take earphones with you. It will definitely help your life, and it will make your life a lot easier when you're talking on the phone. So I like to carry earphones with me all the time. I have another toy, a ball. I actually got this at Target and it was on sale for $1. I guess it's part of like the Christmas theme. I like to carry at least 2 toys in my purse because you never know with dealer. Next I have the hand food from Glory. This is actually for dry hands. So if you guys have dry hands, this is really good stuff. I like to keep this in my purse all the time because my hands get dry so much and it's just so annoying. Check this out. Next thing I have is my Badescu skincare spray. I do have the mini travel. As you can notice, it is almost gone. So I definitely need to buy the small size and the bigger size because I always carry this in my purse because sometimes my face gets a little bit dry. Even though when I don't wear makeup or when I'm wearing makeup, I like to spray my face with this skincare. The next thing I have is this Clinique High Impact Mascara. This is 01 Black. I always carry mascara with me all the time because you never know. Sometimes when I'm running late for work, I can put on mascara in the car or at work. The thing I have is the Lorac Los Angeles lip gloss. This one is the shade Minimalist, and this is what I'm wearing right now. The next thing I have is another lip gloss from ColourPop. This one is Moonchild. I really love this lip. It just gives a very nice nudie shimmer lips. I always carry is my chapstick. Oh my gosh, guys. Even though if I don't wear lip gloss or lipstick, I always like to put on chapstick because my lips for some reason gets super dry and it's just so annoying. You know, I'm like dying and I need chapstick in my life, so I always carry a chapstick. This one is the Chapstick Total Hydration, and it's a soothing vanilla 100% natural lip care. The thing I have is this cozy herbal tea. Sometimes, you know, at this type of weather, you know, you get sick, your throat hurts. I always carry a tea for some. Next thing I have is the hand, I always pronounce this wrong, sanitizer. Right. I carry this with me. This one is Crispy Apple. The next thing I have is pads. You know, girl go through hell sometimes. You always have to keep one with you all the time because nunca sabes. Un día te puedes salir y ya te mancha tu pantalón, and that's not good. Carry like tissues. I like what it says, find your fearless, and I always carry that because maybe you might get mocos, I don't know, something in your nose, take those burgers out, you know. Yeah, you gotta take care of yourself, you know. I guess I have another hand lotion. This is a really good hand lotion, guys, especially if you have dry skin. This does the job. Super good. Next, oh my gosh, I have like 3 hand lotions in my bag. This one's the EOS. I think this one's almost out. Doesn't have that much, but I love this stuff. Next I have cough drops from Vicks when you're sick. Then I have the Sexy Amber Michael perfume. You know, you gotta smell good, you never know. Got another cough drop. And then I have like my coin wallet, and I just like to keep my coins in here, but mom takes all my coins, so I got nothing. I have my wallet. I was gonna get a burgundy wallet, but they didn't have any, so I'm stuck with the black wallet for now. But I keep my driver license, my credit cards, everything in here, and inside the zipper I keep my receipts, my cash, and I really don't carry cash though. I'll just carry like a couple bucks, you know, but mostly I use my ATM card and just one of my credit cards. And then I have my Ulta Beauty mirror. You always need to have a mirror, guys, because nunca sabes, because you might have una araña en tus ojos, or you might have like manchitas or something. You always need to carry a mirror with you all the time. This is what the bag looks like from the inside. So everything fit in this small little bag. Then inside I carry like business cards, receipts. On the back I carry my phone, and I have a receipt from Dunkin' Donut. Pretty much it for my bag, my everyday bag. I'm obsessed with this bag because it matches with any outfits. You can like mix it up a little, and I just love it. There's so many colors. You can go check out at JCPenney. Love this bag so much. So it's one of my favorite bags. So that is my everyday purse, bag, things that I carry in my bag, and honestly it's like a lot of stuff that I carry in there. I'm really surprised. I always carry my charger with me because sometimes I always forget to charge this little furry ball. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do not forget to give it a huge big thumbs up if you guys really enjoy this video. And yeah, so I really hope you guys have a beautiful weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.